Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts in English. I hope you will like them. If you like the video, please like and share it. You can also get paragraphs, letters, stories, poems and quotes of many different inspirational personalities. Now let's start our motivational quotes. Problems never stay long. They just put the signature in the experience book of your life and move away. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Go where you are appreciated, not where you are tolerated. Your confidence, health, and life will be much better. We always worry about our looks, status, and power. But the truth is that they neither matter to those who love us nor to those who don't love us. Don't ever quit. Something new is always waiting for you. Once you feel you are avoided by someone, never disturb them again. For each new morning, let there be flow of love. Let there be light of happiness in every direction. We learn something from everyone who passes through our lives. Some lessons are painful, some are painless, but all are priceless. A good life is when you assume nothing, do more, smile often, dream big, laugh a lot, and realize how blessed you are for what you have. Thank you.